Hey guys, fresh from the publishing house, Pathways in Product, my book. This has been my side project for almost 3 years now. My book can help you wrap your head around various concepts and understand a bit more about the role of a product person. I've written this for those of you who want to transition to roles in the product realm, such as business analyst or product owner. I've made that transition myself 10 years ago. I transitioned from banking to software development, and it was not an easy transition, I can tell you that. Everything I learned and everything I experienced in 10 years in product development, backed up by my previous 10 years in banking, you can find it all here concentrated in useful information for you to have an easier transition. One of the most difficult things to do nowadays is to triage all that information that you can find out there on product development and all the related topics. Let my book guide you towards uncovering more and more information so that you can become more and more knowledgeable. The truth is, for some of the answers, you just need to go out there and find them for yourself. Some lessons simply cannot be taught by others. I've seen dozens of people successfully transition to product roles, coming from different industries. They didn't know what Scrum is, what a refinement is, what a planning session is. There are things that you can learn, and you can learn them, you can easily learn them. But there are skills that you've acquired over years and years of practice and hard work. Use that. I think what I like most about being a product person is the fact that everything I learn basically stays with me, and everything I learn helps me become a better version of myself, a better person.